Hey guys, this is Whip BMX here with a bike check. I'll start off with the front. I have Colt Death Row bars, 8.5 rise, and I cut the bars down. I think they're about 26 wide. I have Colt Dehart grips and Kink Lightest bar ends. My stem is a stolen convict, which is stock, and my headset is Shadow Corvus. For forks, I have Odyssey CS2 race forks, and for my front wheel, it's Shadow Stun with a Rant hub. For seat, I have Shadow Slim, and for seat post, it's Kink Lightest, and my seat clamp is stock, so it's stolen or something like that. Sprocket, Colt member, and rasta, and cranks, stolen mob. Those are stock, painted in black. They look kind of crappy, but whatever. Pedals are Shadow Ravenger, and bottom bracket is stock. Chain is KMC, I believe. And for back wheel, I have Shadow Stun with a Rant hub. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed my bike check, and stay tuned for future videos.